Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Got a new something new for the Cobra here from Whipple. Just wanted to open her up, see what we got. Of course, it's packaged super well. The new Gen 4 Crusher, 2.9 liter. Man, this thing's huge. Let me try to pick it up here. Just give me a second. All right, here it is. I got it up on my little workbench here. Let me tell you, it's heavy. The package is 69.9 pounds. Like I said, this is the Gen 4 Crusher. It's the 2.9. I can't wait to get it on. Whipple say compared to the Gen 3, I think this thing's supposed to run about 1.5 or 2 more pounds of boost for the same pulley size. Probably for pump, I'm gonna run a 3.5, and hopefully for ethanol, I'm gonna run a 3.0. I got a stock lower still. It's got the Crusher intake. I mean, this thing is just absolutely massive. For those guys who have followed me, you might know that. So I originally had a Whipple 2.9 Gen 4, and I had that blower for probably 6 years, and it served me really well. It originally made 600 wheel on pump, like 17 pounds. And over time, as I put more and more mods on it, you know, supporting mods and new fuel system, you know, ethanol, whatnot, it ended up getting upwards of 770 wheel. And, you know, it ran really great. I am a Whipple guy at heart, I would probably say. But, you know, the TVS, the 2.3, let's be honest, I mean, it's pretty impressive for what it is, and there was a lot of talk with the new 2.65 that was coming out, and, you know, there was a lot of talk in the forums, and I bought one, and, you know, it came in, and everybody was waiting on results, you know, from other forum members. And, you know, I'm not trying to start a Whipple versus TVS war here. Hopefully it doesn't happen. But I think it's reasonable to say maybe that the results that we saw, granted with a limited sample size, the 2.65 TVS really was not as impressive as maybe people were thinking it was going to be. And I bought it before I knew you had to smash a coolant crossover, and I wasn't really too thrilled about having to do that. So, you know, I had a hard time selling it, but I did ended up finding a gentleman who was interested in buying it. And, you know, I ended up selling it before I ever used it. Like I said, my car's been down for a little while, getting cams put in. And, you know, Whipple teased the new Gen 4. And again, there has been limited sample size, I'll be fair, but the results of that have been pretty impressive. And just look at the size of this throttle body. This thing is crazy. It's got a nice machine. I'm not sure if you can see it. Man, this thing is huge. It honestly makes my old AccuFab look pretty small, and I love that it's black. I love that. Figured I would just give you a little sneak peek underneath the blower. Everything kind of looks about the same. Try to see if I can get a little bit of the rotors here. I don't remember what my 2.9 looked like, but this looks a little bit different, I think. So Lethal Performance, specifically Jared, was able to talk to Whipple, and I kind of got snuck in on the Whipple sale. I had missed it by half a day, and they were able to sneak me in, and I really appreciate that. That's awesome. And I cannot wait to get this thing installed. I can't wait. I realistically think pump gas, 700 to 720, maybe, and 18 pounds, maybe, and 25 pounds, who knows? I don't know, 850, maybe? I can't wait, man, but that's about it. Thanks, guys.